Ade ye wo de a anase bereduru eduru so se Nyankopon abie kwaya ma wo se bi obedi oman Ghana nim na won so no fa wo nyansa ne wo nim de ne se bi o adwempa wo ede ma wo man no fa be ye bibi fa be boa wo man na sa bre ne duru so a udi ntro a se bi o tumi no won sabeka o ka no kore nso a se de tebia tumi no won sabeka. Now there is an opposite side. The woman yan said, "So we draw a num at the bepetumia. One saka to me na. A ya nedre. So be to me, a handle to me no. I will come papa so. Ama woman mano. I heard when him at me a boa basso. Say we ya jumapa. Because we didn't throw do no at the chat a man for now. And I'm saying I'm contompon and I will trentino. To me no be doing sama. Ebeye dina maun se ubetumi ayedai ayede e wo se wonye emfama se bi o man ma no because yesi udi ntro a won sema obeka ne duru ba bia na wo refiri udi ntro na wo da wani twa wani hwe ba bi kura na ebisa se dia asem na wo kan ya na wo refiri na nka mpese se bi wanya mfie enwotwe a wo te opposition a waye campaign a wadi ntro de a kira manfo obviously bere beduru se onye den wanya tumi na oba bedi akonwa no entro ni nkontompo na wutwa ya na onim se wo ka ne kafia bi e de apetumi no wo refiri o bete nipa na wo ka kire na to na soma na nsoma na koto abadema wo no ni wure mfiri da because eye sajidie ne ba ne mu e ma ne nam so kogina sabio Saturday anopa on the 7th of December anopa nso eto ekogina mu so kwa koto abadema wo enti wumbom na odwene se bia nipa no wumbom na wure betumi afiri asem no but enye nipa na de wo kan ye na eto na sum no enye anu mom ena ne wure befiri. That is actually what is happening today. The yakwa ne say the over promises from the NDC during their time in the opposition no is now coming back to haunt them. I say yebe sha se me the cambo video bi kire wa ye say akwa na oda Ghana lottery hwan na hwan ya no ono so pay $60,000 say or the cohine dying for a month $60,000 for just a month of rent. Now ya ye wa brochiri asabi obeka say abrochira brabo. It is a lot. It costs a lot. Everything that you does, it costs a lot. Dying behind the amount $60,000 a month. Unless you say bia we a VIP kakraka one of the most luxurious places in Europe. And yes, sir, $60,000 $60,000 per month. But nkrofo na omote abontre omosi ebinumo bokro no ntima omomra na omomra meje wo man no mfa ma wo no ena omo beduru ye no omo pe $60,000 di age e di ayeden atwa dan ka $60,000. Samia Wuku, one MPP was in government. Samia Wuku was the person who was in charge of Ghana Lottery. Samia Wuku stood on the salary that has been stabilized by the government. Sa sikane no anoji enkopem se na ban efira konwa so no so ni tumi ehwere no. But then this ni we buy no ono ankasa na kumam from his own demand or $60,000. Papa na no kasa wo video no onye MPP ni o NDC ni pa. NDC ni na e kan kire yen se ono ankasa ne yonko NDC ni bu Ghana man se o pe $60,000 e de atua danka e wo Ghana man mu na ye kan se nkrofo we they have no clue omo ni adwen ketewa bi wo de e wo so omo nye na nipa ho nton wo man no mu their intention of coming to power running up thinking ye pese ye mra moma ye kwan omo bokro no wiamo all was about let us come and chop some of the money. And I had no. But then, and yes, I asem na mede asem foforo na nam. Ye bedim komo ye pa. Ye mi bi ye. Now the bibi ato. Onso wasum meden chaka se ema nana akua afro papa imame me chia oye pa ma akwa aba me da wase se waba me maame Esther K Barima a me yankasa me maame ba akopɛ me sister ba akopɛ the firebrand maame wonso me mo akwa aba ye pa sa so na meden chia ma Facebook fo na kwa me aboaje mensa aman kwa amankwa a ya twere atim Frank Zale Enstia wonso me chia na Al Hassan Abdul Fatah me chia oye pa yenwura mu na yemfa ensema ewo ho enne no emfa mele mu na yenyina yenkyemfa ansa na ebekọ a na yakọ ayasemo mahama yarega pa mimi hu se memfa mfiri hi o asem no mu edene pa abusiamfo asem ewo ho nyina nie yemfa mfiri hanom yemfa mfiri hana yenkọ yalim se de be ya obete nsem na amede ba no asiye. Let's start from somewhere. Ene anopai sa post we aba beto abonten we de yenkan ade we me no nyina yenkan mom ameno nyina yenkan mom ameno nyina yenkan mom na osohwebi papa we ye oti hoyi ye frene Haruna Mohammed oye NDC MP for Asunafo North and ofiri oye NDC MP na waka asem bi na asem na waka na ya reho pa papa we say any sensible person would agree with Ato forcing that a poor economy like Ghana does not need a luxurious building like the Bank of Ghana head office. That is why I agree with him when he says we should sell it. Tieniye pa. Asama papa ye oti hoi all kanyina ane say. Identity we ya nanado eye ni monumental. Eshede sisi Accra kurom. One of the principal roles of Accra. Said the bebe ma kuro na ye fe. Na Bank of Ghana nso na nim ebeba nyam. Na ebe say in fact the CD itself no ewe value ainye only about monetary but it's also about yen can say how we present ourselves as Ghana's economy. Said the oko UK, oko America, oko France, almost central banks in yen can say their central cities. Yes, you see. Buildings are fair. I am so a man for kojina who twa pictures. Twa pictures. Editor so mwako kurum no. And I do fair to say, if you are bringing also the Afro Americans back to Ghana, now if Ghana is becoming a tourist attraction there, and yeah, we have to also start to think about how we can beautify our city. Kwasi ampanyin we ye oda hoyi ese osi enipa bi o wa adwene bia oti osi nipa bi adwene wo nitimu bia no ene ato force mbe ya adwene se sa dan fefe we ye ohu ni hoyi a eye Ghana for ye japade a represent the economy of the country, the city itself no osi sa nipa no nipa o wa adwene bia o se oni ato force enye da call se sa dan no e wo se ye nton because Ghana for ye hiafo tio wakodi la mu akoto abade amanipa we so o mehwe oso o medi wanim akoto abawu e de akwakoyi kwase ampanyin we so o medi wanim so no mehwe wo man so mawo oba ye no atonton o manya japade atonton no mo de nam sei no mo ye o mo fa so a o mo ba ye the gold reserve na yaboa no gu ho a na ye the strength of the city I na me no so ema city no tumi jump from 17 or 16 city to 14 city I na gold no so ena ma sa change na ba ye no enkrofo we ba ye no they came in and they sold everything because of monte asia sa na enen so yes Bank of Ghana building a Ghana for the taxpayers money $260 million building. Panyin we so say yenton. or see yen ton Kurani hu sika ncheni. Te said yes abio. Yedo ababedi ade, wabusu ya panyina wu, na yedo ababedi ade. Na obabedi ade no. Abusia fie na yesi ho no. Utimi hwe abusiamfo anim ka kire omo se yen ton because uhia sika. Pacho abusia panyina obeka asem bi ete sei. Sen na yebesi abu no abusiam. Yebebu no so ekohwini onti asemase. Yebebu no se na adwene mu mie. That is the same thing that is happening here. Mia Wilson Danso ofosu hene me akwa ba yie pa. The same thing NDC for can kire Ghana for. But uye post ewo Facebook now say the NDC is ready to sell the Bank of Ghana, Central Bank of Ghana. Omo pese omo nton a. Then you get nkwasiafo no beba and then I post obi aba be twere ho say what tag Ghana police for so omo mra mecheme because asem na me no kure. SKB TV me am akwa ba yie pa I want to say. O say yenye den ye mra mecheme because me di ntro e de agu NDC amanyoko so. Abusia efa na ntro e wasem a me kan mu. We eye poster NDC panyini ene kaaye we me hwe video no but mentime anya video no but me ba be bo video de a kire oba bia ato force na ankasa e ka temiye pa Jimini sano sa kwasi ampanyini we Haruna Mohammedo ma me da na pia me akwa ba ye pa o se yenton the Central Bank of Ghana headquarters na yenton. Na we dey ponasem na okan no Jimmy nti no yem koso kese but the Minister of Finance ankasa kan ye no ene de okan di twa ato no kura na ye abufuo kese me bala bo video na kiro ye wo abusuan panyin kohwini asa obabedi wabusua mu ade a mo japade a eye de nananom mo wofanom ene mo nana nkasa no ma brabo no agu ho se yemfa mo ho ban no omoba ton no omoton. That is the same thing that the NDC want to do. The omo person munyan say they want to sell everything. Enye character of enye nenko o nkrofo we no selling government properties no ewo mu widiem ewo mu bojam ewo mu mojam abanye japade pa yempaja na yenton maybe yenton ma yen. That is their manner of governance. Sa no mudi yeden ebu omo man Ghana Telecom enkrofo we ne ton ye aban saase ahodo e wa kra nyina NDC fo ne ton ni nyina omo santoto e de chiche omo ho e fae se me kese me trana ma kire o japade ahodo NDC aban ne breso omo ton de ma individuals a minwa ba odo nsabe guti nti selling of Ghana's property no a DNA of the NDC because they are not capitalists into no business. What they know is about liquidity, cash in their hands. They don't know the importance of assets. Omunim the importance of assets. Me also enter the Mwakwaba. Enti papa wait or say only ato force na ye agree pa. Na asem we no kano, madika kan say we say only ato force ya adwene. Why was he saying so? Because ato forcing went to News 5. Now ato forcing call News 5 no asem we no kan ye. When MP we say only no ya adwene, ti asem we ye pa.
And this is the thing that surprised me. BOG is asking for a bailout.
Yes.
53 billion cedis. For what? You say to deal with the negative equity.
Yes.
And this is on the back of the report that showed that there's 60 billion hole.
You remember in my previous life as the minority leader, I kept saying that Bank of Ghana had generated so much debt, so much, deficit. As a result, their balance sheet is not healthy. and that they have generated negative equity. Apparently, the previous administration and the Bank of Ghana had signed an MOU for the government of Ghana or the taxpayer to recapitalize the central bank with 53 billion Ghana cedis.
Do you have the money?
I've asked the Bank of Ghana to look within and cut expenditure because the taxpayer cannot afford 53 billion. And I've communicated that to the government.
But they already have an agreement with government.
But they can look within. They can look within. First of all, they have to look within. You know, you've seen their new head office, very big building. They have a choice to sell and lease back if they want to. They have to look within and.
But you tell seven up upon the can year pa. Or say Bank of Ghana for Edeka. I'm at the previous administration. Can another buying. Actually said, I was a Ghana for 20 year piano. Yempe kwambi suna yentiti bin kra ni yentimi fan cover that a Kana Bank of Ghana there. That is the right way a nipo wunyansan nim de beyo. Papa no ojino yeso ye the finance minister. Jimini na Ghana ye sekutwa. Ye sekutwa kita no. O say I was said the Bank of Ghana no. Empe kwambi suna ni expenditures no. Ka obo niema oto sika o spend ontwitwa so na de okade to aso e ma ne ye me ya ne say o say the Bank of Ghana no e was very big building and very beautiful building enti omo betumi aton sa structure no sa dan no ye nkoton fa ma obi na Ghana Bank of Ghana ensign ko han dan no mfam free nipa kro no ho. You hear what I'm talking about. Tio, wan kasa ubedi ade. Abusuapani na oho ko ya ubedi na ade no. Watimi atete ne mawure mu ajajapade titire wa ente se a ne boye 260 million and edisi ye. That way esi ho cha it can rise even up to 300-400 million with time. Akwa we say yenkoton dan na mfama an individual body. Ye koto de ma an individual body ni wi a ni aye den na ya san akwa akoto ya san akwa akohan na ese ye jiminti no ye kwa koton dan ne de amobi na ye ton ma ni wi a ya san akose ye kwa akohan leasing etese de ho han ade enti bodam ni ben pa na ti wi ase so ye bodam ni a wa bodam na okita na ade. Now can you say on tom mount na what sign their hand na obeto wase. But them knew on to wase that. But here we are. We have our own one can say finance minister ne advice to the Bank of Ghana and say a Japadie na ye wono yen tom famo obi ne nsanko han entua rent emma sa nipa no. Even if you have the possibility to build your own house, will you prefer to rent or to build your house? You automatically like to build your own house and live in your own house. But Nkrofo will say, you spend $11 million every year. The Christians were dying no muntino yen ton because they need money in their hands. So omodi be din kwasi asem. Sa sika na omo pe no, omo mpe sika no de aye adwuma papa bi o. Dan na omo se enkoton no, enye se omo pe sika de afri dan no e de aye adwuma papa bi ma obi ho atono. Omo pe sika no de din kwasi asem, e bi te se adwuma bi te se wei. Te se wei. Hade